Students, here is our book of Vikas General Knowledge class 5. This is third chapter, Some Great Thinkers. So in this chapter we are going to learn about some great thinkers. So do you know names of some great thinkers? A person who has well developed faculty for thinking as a philosopher, scholar. They are the great thinkers. So here are some great thinkers. First great thinker is Socrates. He was a Greek great thinker. He was philosopher also. He tried to reach at the truth of the things through dialogues. His ideas and methods had lasting influence on Western philosophy. And you know very well that we don't like rules of our head of the family or elders. Same way, unfortunately, the rulers of his country did not like his views. He was eventually condemned to drink a cup of hemlock poison and die. The great philosopher Plato was his student. Here it is the picture of Plato. Plato, he was also a Greek philosopher and educator who laid the foundation for later philosophy. He was the pupil of Socrates. As we know, means he was student of Socrates and great teacher Aristotle also. He is one of the most influential thinker of all time. And whatever great work he had done in his life, that work made him famous. Okay. Here is next thinker, that is Aristotle. He was also Greek philosopher and scientist too. He is ranked as one of the great thinkers of the world. So you can understand how great people they were. Okay. So Aristotle's ideas and discoveries are still highly valued. You can read books also. All these great thinkers, very nice books are there. He was the student of Plato and tutor of Alexander the Great. So you can understand from that Plato was student of Socrates and Aristotle was student of Plato. Okay. Next great thinker is Confucius. So his another name was Kongzi or Kung Fu. Was the most influential and respected philosopher in Chinese history. And he was a single strongest influence on a Chinese society. His teaching compiled under the name The Analect of Confucius stressed man's duty to man. So here one more great thinker is Karl Marx. He was German philosopher and thinker. He was the author of book on economics of capitalism, Das Kapital. Very famous book it is. And he had started two powerful movements, which are that democratic socialism and revolutionary communism. Now next philosopher is Voltaire. So he was a French philosopher and writer. What he had done? Whatever beliefs were there that time, he had accepted he had challenged the accepted beliefs of that time. And he had written many books in French so that people influenced by him and brought about the French Revolution. This is the next philosopher by French. His name is Rousseau. He was the most famous writer of his time because of his thinking power, and books written by him influenced the people of French, and so that led the French Revolution, literature and politics. So he had done great work in literature and politics. According to him, power should be vested in the common people and that government must be formed by general consent. So next great thinker is Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy was Russian novelist and writer on ethics and religion. He had written many books, but from that War and Peace and Anna Karenina are the famous works. Tolstoy's writing had a great influence on Gandhiji. Means thought process of Leo Tolstoy and Gandhiji was same. Now next thinker is Chanakya. Chanakya is also known as Kautilya. Kautilya, the great Indian thinker and statesman. And you can say statesman also. He is the author of Arthashastra, an authentic book on statecraft. And he also wrote books on ethics. Chanakya Niti is one of the nice book of Chanakya. You can read that. Okay. Next thinker we are going to see Aryabhatta. The first was the distinguished Indian mathematician and astronomer. You might have heard his name many times. Great Indian astronomer and mathematician. So he is the only Indian who stated that the earth rotates around its axis and day and night are caused. So first who told that? Aryabhatta. Means what? He is the first man who ascertained the speed of the earth. He was the author of Arya Siddhanta and Aryabhattiya. India's first satellite was named after him. The satellite Aryabhatta, that you know very well. Last but not least is Swami Vivekananda. So all of you are very much familiar with Swami Vivekananda. Yes, no? Good. He was a great Indian thinker. His original name was Narendranath Datta. He was the follower of Ramakrishna Paramhans. This Ramakrishna Paramhans was his guru. He believed that all religions teach the same things. And he was always participating in conference of all religions of the world and made the greatness of India and Hinduism known to the entire world. So great man. Yes, no? He established the Ramakrishna mission. So these were all great thinkers. You have to read again about them. Okay. And then you have to complete all question answers. Here questions are given and answers also are given. So you can follow all that. Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day.